Today I'm going to show you how I sand the bottom of my planters. So this is what it sounds like before I sand it, and that can definitely damage any wood countertops or anything that the planter is going to go on. This clay that I use to throw it is called calico clay, and it has a higher percentage of grog in it, which is essentially just like sand and sediment and other things, which allows you to build bigger pieces, but however can be damaging to the hands or the final surface that it's placed on. And here's what it sounds like after sanding.
Always a bit tricky when you switch from